Hello everyone, let's get started on today's recipe, tomato bisque and grilled cheese sandwiches. We're going to start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot on medium heat. Once melted, go ahead and add 1 diced onion, 2 diced celery sticks, and 2 diced carrots. Let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until onions are translucent. Add in 3 cloves of garlic, chopped. Mix and cook for about 30 seconds until garlic is fragrant. Salt and pepper to taste. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix until well combined. This should take about a minute or 2. Now we're ready for the chicken broth. Go ahead and add 2 cups. You can also use vegetable broth. Stir in 3 cups of water. Add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Add a 1/4 cup of white rice. This will serve as a thickening agent. Again, salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a boil, then add 2 teaspoons of white sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, either smoked or regular, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Reduce heat to low and allow it to simmer for 25 minutes, stirring often so that the rice does not burn. After 25 minutes, go ahead and give it a taste to see if more seasoning is needed, including sugar. Here we're adding 3 to 4 basil leaves chopped. Cover and simmer for an additional 20 minutes, stirring often. After 20 minutes, remove from heat and mix in 1 cup of heavy cream. Now we're going to grab an immersion blender and blend until soup is smooth and creamy. You can also use a regular blender or food processor. Go ahead and cover your bisque and set aside. Okay, now on low heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter to a skillet. Next, grab 2 slices of bread of your choice. We're using sourdough. Add desired amount of cheese to your bread. We're using 2 smoked Gouda slices and 2 cheddar slices. Place the sandwich onto the melted butter and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from skillet and add another tablespoon of butter. Once melted, cook the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. We are cooking the grilled cheese low and slow to make sure that the cheese melts without burning the bread. After the initial 3 to 4 minutes on each side, turn the sandwich over about every 30 seconds until cheese is fully melted. Remove from heat and cut the sandwich in half. Now you're ready to enjoy this amazing tomato bisque with your grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh my God. That is so good.
We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!